Europe Family TV, the place of real news. For entertainment, documentary, social issues. Then watch Europe Family TV, the place of real news. Europe Family TV, the place of real news.
Good evening, my people. Thanks for watching our video. Thanks for promoting our video, subscribing. We say big please, if today is your first day of coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to drop comments and like. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you all. Much love, much love. My people, now they see that matter where they run up and down for social media. Now I make I they talk this thing every time. You as a presenter where they look people nyash. Now so they see they look your nyash. No understand. See this matter of HIV positive. Una remember saying I saw the time of Zimbabwe woman matter come outside when him even talk now open his mouth say in HIV positive. When we put am for head, even most of us we do part 20 for inside this matter of the top, part 1, part 2, part now so the parts they go. Okay, now that one a Zimbabwe woman with the Kevin boy when Loveto come aside last year we do part 1, we go reach how many part we fit do. Even this year on too we see do. Now so we go see inside this Lovett issue too. Now so that they call the Yoruba girl how the matter te happen. How the thing happen. Now so they go see cause some women where be like say maybe they with their husband get small issue or they get issue of pikin or anyhow it be. Even the other girl where be like say they carry 2 children from. I remember is it not last year when they carry 2 twins from. We see do the video, not be small. We talk because why? All those one are small people for their eye, not be saying they be small picking, but for because why they talk saying now for their eye be say when reach their matter now we be like say this woman come outside they talk of their matter say they be HIV positive. They be HIV positive. They not come outside they can't defend themselves. But when reach matter when not be their own. They go call. They won't know. They won't call the man. They won't call the woman. They won't post picture. When reach una matter now, mouth not let una. The test paper, the HIV paper, it not the big. When they go say maybe the thing heavy to carry come outside, it dey heavy them. Now just pieces of paper like this. You just bring come outside. Pieces of paper like this. Now you just bring come outside. They will just know say yes so maybe na lie or maybe na truth. Because then you know say they not fit bring the result come outside. Because what I talk so it's a clear conscience fear no accusation. As I said the woman he can't talk nonsense say get na madness. Shebi he go do his own. He post am for a page. People they go there they see am. Why be say una where he can't dey guilty of the thing where he say una dey guilty of HIV positive? Why una not fit go do na una see put am for na page? Make they say maybe na carry talk or na yours maybe quarrel or all this year talk. Una not fit bring her come outside una say una go sue the woman. That sue can never cover the truth. Una need to dey come outside that is now come answer na query because na so na dey ask people question for Facebook for social media. Una go dey call people. I do this one. Na so this one leave your husband go do this one. Na common paper na not fit produce. Una go show the hospital name, show na name, show whether na positive or negative. If you not be positive or something, why are you afraid of? You see our people. And wetin be they see the rest people wey not fit do video, some of them wey not do video about this issue. Maybe they fear say if they talk for this matter, maybe their own secret side go see open. Maybe their nyash too go see open. So everybody dey fear here, dey find as e go take keep himself busy with one way or the other. E no wan talk for this matter wey dey ground. If to say na one single mother matter, oya o, single mother o, na like this single mother just dey do o. If na one boy wey be like say maybe they just see meet am for where e see go hustle, maybe for one way or the other, maybe the boy no get work, he go stand for one supermarket, see dey find way make shentro boys so, lazy boys so, they no wan work. Now and the presenters them now, they no fit answer the query where they ask them. Shame on una if una no fit answer this query, because so simple. It's simple. Die. You go hospital, they'll carry your blood. Before 2 days, you go carry. 3 days, you go carry your HIV result. Even for this Europe sef, before they treat you, most of the hospital they go check. They'll first check you whether you be HIV positive. So na not see get that result for house. Even though say una not get only one HIV positive HIV test result, maybe the one where combine with other sickness them. They see they write am go this test, go that test, they go miss am with the HIV test. So na not see get that one to prove the woman wrong, which means wetin the woman talk na truth. And if una get HIV, muna small dey spread am. Muna small. I beg my people, make una small. Na be the thing where they talk. We will go sit down for here, they talk say make our guests, make they stop prostitute, make they do, and now they don't carry, now they don't do the prostitute, so take the thing they don't frustrate, now they can't run come up for the prostitute, but their eyes see there the prostitute, but just that it can't be like say one leg in, one leg out. Now they'll come see they can't preach for people for social media, leave prostitute, leave this. Muna small una dey shame. I think say una no dey shame o. I think say una no dey shame. When Zimbabwe woman dey there, he talk you come outside. They can't put for head. HIV positive oh, una yera Kevin boy. The Kevin boy one dey hijack. He no get the HIV oh. Una no hear say he get am oh, because when the woman dey do your video, he talk say he no fit anybody where sleep with her no fit contact the HIV except who get, because in your own way he get, he no dey give person. You don't understand? The person no fit contact am. Una dey shame. Una no say that woman bold come outside come talk you. Una no fit bold come outside. If na person matter, una go dey bold. The one wey go do voice like elephant, he go do come outside. Their own na to dey post people nakedness. Come, muna bring una own test. Na Europe we dey. This one not be the one where they will say they wan go one hospital, make they come do and say wayo. Europe, they know they do wayo thing. Muna go, the name of the hospital, they go write out, they go see her, post and put, people what go see and say, yes, you are not, you be innocent for wetin this lady talk, for this woman. When the woman come outside, come talk, because see, anybody wey come outside, they talk through, they'll say, he get depression. He don't craze. He get depression. And so one woman come outside that last time, they talk say the way where his husband, they treat his children, he not like her. They won't talk now. They say the woman get depression. When the woman here, the woman come prove una wrong. Say he not get depression. You know what in they talk. Okay, why be say una own now where they call una name? The name una know una self. Una not fit come outside come prove the woman wrong. Say see my test. Now lie just because of you hate me or because of this. They not see prove. Nobody self. They not even come outside come talk self. They find way to cover and they do say they don't know what the woman talk. Do what I say, don't do what I do. Now be this kind of people. Now be this kind of people. You see, and Europe now na spoil am o. Una go dey blame people where come yesterday. Now don't first scatter the Europe. Now na spoil am put for ground. When they come meet, so when they come tomorrow they go they say na people where just enter. Now where fair come now na scatter na squander and useless Europe. When make they take sickness, I think they look everybody. Take a prostitute, I think they look everybody. Now them. Now HIV positive, they not fit come outside, make they come defend themselves, say na lie yo. because they know say that they get the sickness. Because if they don't get the sickness, they will come outside, they will say, wetin this woman dey talk na lie. See my test, see so place when I go do the test, see am. No, they not fit. Last time they talk, I think na so they ask one woman whether I do marriage. If not to do marriage, they go come outside, they ask person, you do marriage. This one not be marriage matter again, because inside marriage matter, na so they go take money, go they marry themselves. They go form say they don't marry. This one na test. Go hospital, they not they pay. They not fit go do one. Even though say they pay how much. Shebi una say na get money pass, una don't pay for Europe. Come on, HIV test, una not fit go do. May una show to the world say wetin that lady dey talk na like, which means that lady is saying the truth. Yes, that lady is saying the truth. That lady is saying the truth, which means you people are guilty of HIV. Abeg una small dey spread the HIV virus until when we go stop to dey talk about this HIV matter, until when una go present una results. Because if na the rest girls them, single mothers them, they go dey find their number, they wallow the matter, they go, the matter go dey expand. You go dey expand. Now I reach una own matter now. Una no fit come defend una self. Such a shameful life. Shameful life. Because me, person no fit just come tell me wetin I not do. I go prove the word wrong. Say the woman, the person where they talk this word, na lie. And me get there, I go show the evidence. They go say yes, na truth. This one, they not fit show the evidence. One I tell the woman say the woman dey craze. Shebi, you don't go do your own test, come aside. Una go a page, una go see am. Una own, they not see am, una come and say presenter. Now na dey present oh. You see am? You see am? My people, matter na wa. So una no come here say una be HIV positive when they talk. All them wey say na they get heaven and earth, na dem sabi make up, na dem sabi do this one, na dem dey wear fashion, na dem dey the top of the world. So una no fit present una result. Say shameful. If una no present am, na this one go take charge for this 2020 till una go present am. Because person can never come outside come put wetin you no know for your head. You go sit down say you go sit down. Na lie. Something is under. Maybe they no wan come outside, make more come outside. Maybe some still remain where we never know. When Chioma matter dey happen, we go carry am come outside, we go talk am. This one go come outside. Single mothers, how many times? Go many platforms. Single mothers, their matter don't carry headache for inside their platform. Now they call now. HIV positive, una no fit come outside. Shameful. Shameful life. Shameful life. Una leave single mothers and alone for waste. Since una no fit present una no be presenter. Una no be presenter, Person wey never fit bath himself, he no fit show person how to bath. Na so it be. As I never bath finish, so I no fit teach person how to bath. So now when they show say una don bath, una show us the kind bath una bath as una take bath and clean. Which means the HIV result una need to bring her come outside before they will leave una for waste. Yeah. Many people for this Europe, they get HIV result. Even though say not be one paper like this, they write the say maybe you go lay HIV test. You get some sickness where you go. Normal sickness, una know as you be. They go write many tests, say may you go. HIV go join the test them. Una not still get that one to present. Which means the HIV don't chop una finish self. Very soon na AIDS. Zimbabwe woman talk at that time, they won't kill the Zimbabwe woman. They thought say that they log out the matter. Now so it they get HIV. Now so it they do this one. Now see una matter. See una matter, una no fit handle na. Now this one they go they call say they won't settle home. I wonder the kind people where they carry their matter, they can't give all this kind of people say settle home for me. You no fit settle your home. See, all these kind of people won't come settle your home for you. They go share the HIV give your husband self. Before you go look, you yourself, you go contact them because now they spread and they go. They spread and they go. Now no. If una get matter, now if you be say no let social media, they feel they settle matter. One and not fit settle na matter for house. No. Una dey hear wetin dey happen. Now they share and they go because they where get her, they know they happy oh. They know they happy. We know say not be their fault oh. We know say because normally sickness, nobody dey know who sickness dey body. Now I make them say you as a woman, then one place see that one place, nothing waka waka they do for person. Find one man, settle down with am. Settle down with am. Very important to prevent all this sickness them. You go find the money at the end, you know if you chop the money. Now that kind of money now they find for the Europe. You see them, they don't frustrate to now no. If una enter their trap, they will take una take do ye. Because they're not even happy for their life. How much man a person they won't happy for? You don't see who not happy for a life, you go come they happy for person. Now be all this one so. They say you be HIV positive. Now be you go come and say you carry your paper say the word don't see am. I not be HIV positive oh. See am oh. You just hate my enemy oh. Not be say na wetin they talk na truth oh. They go leave you for waste. Nah. Una they see they do say una not hear wetin dey happen. But if to say na single mother matter, una go carry phone, una go do live video, una go do a part 1, part 2, go reach 20. The other one I they teach person how to rub cream. Now they say you na HIV positive. You not feel come outside, come present your result. Say you not be HIV positive. Oh. You put it, you do like say you put cotiwu. They do like say they put cotiwu for year. They know the year am. See the HIV positive them where they distribute HIV they go. If na not be HIV positive where they distribute HIV they go. We need una result. We need una result to come prove una self innocent. Then we go know say yes, na lie. Because now we don't know say the woman, you know the craze. You know what they talk. Then if you want prove the woman say you don't know what they talk, come outside. May not be only one person. No, they men you na hear the amount of people. Now them say that them be what's up people. Now that they come. Mona come outside, come present on a paper. The word they shame for now. The word they shame for now. See them. See life where they don't live for Europe. This one go let una know say now they scatter the Europe before we come. Now they won't put the blame for the people that will come now. And now they will first they will get this HIV positive. If you be say una not get, say not be una scatter the Europe. Make una prove una self wrong. Muna bring una paper. Then we go know say yes. Wetin they talk, not be true, not be lie, not be true. The woman they talk. But now. Anything will come out for the Europe say they scatter now we go put on our head because now they scatter and maybe now say okay maybe because that woman you say na 17 years we don't know how many years now own don't be whether now distribute okay the woman say get am for Africa something like that. The woman say maybe I can say now they carry and give the woman too. All of them they share and they go. When rich people matter, single mother oh, na like this oh, this girl oh, that one oh. May we not see una muna talk people matter again. Muna talk una own. Muna come aside, come say the truth. Muna come aside, bring una paper, come aside. We go say yes, true. The person not be HIV positive, just that na hatred or just that na quarrel. Not be to carry go court. We don't know whether una go the court, whether una will go the court. Or una go judge the case like as that one they say they carry that woman they go court every year. We know they see the time where they go the court they judge the case every year. They go say we they go court like Vera and Jama first lady where he go they say he won't carry Vera go court, he won't carry now they year every year. We know they see the time where they go judge the case. We know they see am. This one now they say they don't carry the woman go. If una judge the case now finish. Now that one, we not dead there. We not dead there. Let's say now the woman go see come outside, come talk am again, and they go see say the woman they lie. So the right thing to do is to bring your result out simple as ABCD. Una dey see many people wey dey accuse say dem no marry o, dem go don enter house fiu dem don carry picture dey upload. Una go see am clear. No be say dem come dey do say dem no hear wetin dey happen. Abeg my people, make una small small. I know say na single mother matter dey sweet dem well. Me sef I dey talk about the single mother matter because the matter come outside, we go talk am. Then as these people matter still come outside, we sef go talk am. Make dem bring their result come outside, we go know say yes, dem no get HIV. But now dem no come outside, no be mean say dem get the HIV. Because now dem dey do say dem no hear wetin the woman dey talk. They say the woman dey crazy. The woman don go psychiatric hospital, abi how dey call am. E don go bring the test come because anybody wey wan talk now, they'll say e get depression. I don't know the day where they hear the English of depression because they come Europe. They come dey hear English of depression. Person dey talk wetin dey important. Person dey talk wetin dey mind. They go say na depression. Now the depression woman abi the crazy woman, e don go bring the result come outside. They say e dey okay. Na Europe. That is hero for you. They know they do mago. You can never bribe them. Go and do your own also and show to the world that what this lady is saying is lie. The lady is lying. That time we go know say yes, you be really person. You be really who stand for a word. You be really correct person. Not say you won't try to correct people. Your own self, they not feel repair and self. Me and they talk am. All these women there, where they bring their matter, they come social media. He husband run leave am o. He did so. No. Now matter they will just say they raise. See their own matter now. They not fit talk am o. They not fit talk their own matter o. They not fit come and make them prove the woman wrong. If na single mother, the Zimbabwe woman, I know how many they do. I know her. This lovers wish they serve. I know how many. Some people do and go reach part 5. My people, may we repent for our evil way. Mostly all these our people. Nah. I beg you. Tomorrow now they go come outside say now they get all the old world. Get all the old world where they live with virus. You are living with virus. No happiness for your life. Every time. No wonder they go dey quarrel for social media. No wonder. This one go do they will throw him out, go give am because no happiness for their life. They don't they see the death or the day where I better not me talk am because una hear where the woman talk am. He dey count all of una where get the HIV. Muna come outside come prove una self wrong. If na single mother, when e reach Kevin boy matter, they come outside. When e reach Lovette matter with the Yoruba girl, they come outside talk am. As soon as they talk people, muna see come outside come talk people no because as I dey so person no fit come me say I get HIV, I get HIV and me no get HIV. Once, yes, I go say me they give me 2 days or 3 days. I go bring the result, show the whole world to know say wetin this person dey talk na lie. Now I reach una do say una no hear, una sit down put for the matter. We go stand up for the matter. Make the world know now. Because now that too much. Now this one now so they take scatter Nigeria finish. They don't see come Europe. Now they don't scatter Europe finish. They say now the people where come yesterday now they scatter them. God go dey expose now this 2020. This 2020 they go dey see all of us nyash. They go dey see am. They say breeze blow foul nyash go open or twege. Na so it be. My people, I bet muna no forget to drop comment. Whether wetin all these people they do you good. When rich people matter, they will put am for air. When reach their matter now, they not fit come outside, can't tell the word, and they call themselves presenter. They not fit come outside, make them make use of their platform. Say, wetin this person talk na lie. When if in a quarrel, if na to talk say how much you get, they go come outside, can't talk. If na to mock person, hey, get depression, they will come outside, can't talk her. Muna drop na comment, Love you all. Love you. See you next. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We love you all.